Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Alice, and today we're talking about how to design a truly functional workspace in a small room.
Hi, Alice. It's a challenge of our era. Hybrid work turned bedrooms into offices and studios overnight.
Exactly. And the key isn't more space, but smarter use of it.
Right. The American Institute of Architects recommends zoning, defining work, rest, and storage zones, even in one room.
Visual boundaries help too. A rug, curtain, or color shift separates functions.
Yes, and that visual cue helps your brain switch between focus and relaxation.
Speaking of color, psychology plays a role, doesn't it?
It does. The Journal of Environmental Psychology found blues aid focus, yellows spark creativity.
So mix calm tones with one energizing accent.
Exactly. The goal is balance, not distraction.
Lighting's another big factor.
Absolutely. The WELL building standard shows proper light improves alertness. Cool tones for daytime, warm light for evenings.
Indirect LEDs behind shelves can add softness and dimension.
And mirrors amplify that effect. Interior Design Magazine calls it spatial layering.
Great term. Let's talk acoustics.
Acoustics first suggests felt panels or cork tiles. Stylish and sound absorbing.
Plus, cork sustainable and visually warm.
EcoDesign Network adds that natural materials ease eye strain and purify air slightly.
Function meeting well-being. Love it.
And sustainable pieces age beautifully, so they're long-term wins.
Furniture next. Modular or mobile?
Both. Muji and String Furniture create reconfigurable systems ideal for small spaces.
Flexibility over bulk? Noted.
Exactly. Movable carts let you reset your space anytime.
Ergonomics still matter though.
OSHA's 90-90-90 rule keeps posture healthy. Add laptop stands or cushions for comfort.
What about digital clutter?
Harvard Business Review calls it the hidden productivity killer. Do weekly file cleanups.
I do a Friday reset. Clears my head too.
Perfect example. Consistent rituals sustain order.
Natural light is irreplaceable.
True. Lighting Research Center found daylight mimicking LEDs stabilize mood when sunlight's scarce.
And mirrors double that brightness. Instant energy boost.
For creative spark, Design Milk suggests one meaningful object, not 10.
Intentional minimalism. Less, but personal.
Exactly. NASA's Clean Air study even shows plants lift mood and filter toxins.
So design is wellness.
Yes, and Harvard's Healthy Buildings program proved air quality affects cognition by 15%.
Clear air, clear mind.
Right. Integrate sight, sound, light, and air. That's holistic design.
I love that. Final thoughts?
Design with purpose, edit with honesty.
Beautiful. Let your space evolve as you do.
Perfect closer. Thanks for joining Design Talk. Your workspace is where your best ideas begin.